Radhe Radhe to everyone. So welcome to you all. Here we are solving matrices questions that are very useful for JEE Mains and other competitive examinations, engineering exams. So our question is the minimum, if the minimum and maximum values of the function f pi by 4 to pi by 2 are, okay, this is given to us, is defined by this. So m and n are the minimum or maximum values. Okay. सो हम यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, लेट्स यूज़ द रो ऑपरेशंस. सो योर कॉलम वन इज कॉलम वन माइनस कॉलम टू एंड कॉलम थ्री इज दिस. ठीक है. सो यूजिंग दीज टू ऑपरेशंस what we will get 1, then 1 2, this is minus 1 sine square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta, this is 10, this is minus sine square theta, this is minus cos square theta 8. ठीक है. Now we will be doing C2 is C2 minus C3. So my our matrix is now will be 1 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus sine square theta minus cos square theta and 8. So expanding it, जब हम इसका डिटर्मिनेंट निकालेंगे तो we will get 4 cos of 2 theta. Now theta is belonging to pi by 4 means 45 to 90 itself. ठीक है. Okay. Now your theta is belonging to pi by 4 pi by 2. So 2 theta is pi by 2 and pi. So cos of 2 theta is minus 1 to 0. ठीक है. Now if I'll say 4 cos 2 theta, so it is 4 cos of 2 theta is minus 4 0. So minus 4 0 is my ordered pair. Next question is lambda belonging to R and system of equation is inconsistent. Okay, now we know inconsistent when it is inconsistent. So inconsistent is when your determinant d1 d1 d2 and d3, they all are equals to 0. ठीक है. तो इनफाइनेटली मैनी सोल्यूशन इज़ द केस. जब सबका डिटर्मिनेंट 0 होता है तो इसमें क्या होता है, हमारे इनफाइनेटली मैनी सोल्यूशंस होता है. ओके. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें पहले डिटर्मिनेंट निकाल लेते हैं इसका. d इक्वल्स टू 2 1 lambda minus 4 minus 6 minus 10, then lambda 1 and 4 equals to 0. So on expanding, here we'll get your lambda is 3 and minus 2 over 3. Now we have to find d1. So it will be 1 2 3 -4 -6 -10 lambda 1 4 equals to 0. Now from here our lambda is, it is lambda equals to 3. ठीक है. Now d2 is 2 1 lambda and 1 2 3. Now this row has reached to here. This is lambda 1 4. So on expanding it is again lambda equals to 3. So it means when lambda equals to 3, so your determinant is 0 because it's a common in everywhere. But we have to find that solution is inconsistent. So when it is inconsistent, when your d is 0 but your d1, any of d1, d2 or d3 is not 0. So it means lambda की value when it is -2/3, then it is not then it is not consistent or inconsistent. So means exactly for one negative value. ठीक है, क्योंकि lambda equals to -2/3 आ रहा है. Now next is, if system of equation has infinitely many solutions. So this is simple. Infinitely मतलब d आपका 0 होगा. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे d equals to 0. यहाँ 1 2 3 1 4 2 1 -1 lambda is 0. So on expanding your lambda will be 9/2. ठीक है. Now d of x, if I'll say, so this is 2 6 new d1 एक तरह से आप बोल सकते हो. 1 4 2 1 -1 and lambda की जगह 9/2 we have to put. So from here your new will be 5. So lambda is this and new is this. So among them this option is matching. Now next question is that suppose x1 x2 x3 are the solution of the system of linear equation, b on the right side, b1 b2 b3. Okay, so let us write your A matrix is a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 and c3. ठीक है. Now we all know that it is written also here ax1 equals to b of 1. ठीक है. And x1 is given to us, b1 is also given to us. So it is a into x1. Let me write x1. x1 is 1 1 1 and b1 is 1 0 0. So from here I'll get the equations a1 plus a2 plus a3 is 1, a4 a5 plus a6 is 0 and a7 plus a8 plus a9 equals to 0. ठीक है. Now next is your ax2 equals to b of 2. तो again x2 क्या है मेरा, this is 0 2 1 और b2 क्या है 0 2 0. सो यहाँ से मेरी इक्वेशंस क्या बन जाएगी, 2 a2 प्लस a3 इज़ 0, 2 a5 प्लस a6 इज़ 2 एंड 2 a8 प्लस a9 इज़ 0. सो 3 इक्वेशन यहाँ बनी थी और 3 इक्वेशन हमारी यहाँ पे बन गई, 4 5 एंड 6. नाउ नेक्स्ट मैं करूँगी a, दिस इज़ b ऑफ 3. सो ये मेरा हो जाएगा a1 a2 a3 V1, V2, V3, C1, C2, C3. So 0, 0, 1 is 0, 0, 2. So यहाँ से I'll get A3 is 0, A6 is 0 and A9 is 0. Sorry, these all are A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. I have solved something else. I am writing here something else. I am so sorry. So it is A4, A5, A6, A7, A8 and A9. You have to make the equation in simpler manner. ठीक है. Now you have to solve all A3, this were given, equations are given to us. So that I am keeping on yourself. Equations you have got, आपके पास आ गई है. So what type of matrix you will get, I am writing that directly. Calculations you have to do. So this is my matrix. ठीक है. And what we have to find in this determinant of A we have to find. So determinant of A, clearly the diagonal values are my determinant 2. ठीक है. Determinant of matrix, determinant of A is. So I hope ये आपको समझ आया होगा. Thank you so much.